Hi, I'm Brian Gylland, and I'm a design engineer at Burn Design Lab, a nonprofit organization based in Vashon, Washington. We're dedicated to improving lives and protecting the environment through the research, design, and development of cleaner cook stoves for third world countries. BDL partners with local manufacturers and implementers to address issues of cooking traditions, user engagement, and culture as an integral part of the design process. I started at BDL as an intern doing analytical work for charcoal burning stoves in partnership with Burn Manufacturing Company, or BMC, a social venture company located near Nairobi, Kenya. Since 2016, I've worked at BDL full-time. I've participated in the development of subsequent generations of BDL's charcoal burning Jikokoa stove. The fourth generation Jikokoa, or Jikokoa Extra, reduces fuel consumption by over 50%, reduces emissions by over 60%, and saves families up to $200 per year in fuel costs. Today, these stoves are being manufactured at a rate of 20,000 units per month by Burn Manufacturing, and nearly 500,000 units have been sold across East Africa. I've also gotten the chance to work on new projects. Between 2016 and 2018, I worked with the Hands for Peacemaking Foundation to optimize a griddle-style stove for rural villages in Guatemala. The Plancha project culminated in a 2-week trip where I finalized the stove design on-site with the Hands for Peacemaking Foundation. This summer, 165 stoves were placed in rural homes in Barias, Guatemala. Moving forward, these stoves will be installed at a rate of 300 units per year. Recently, BDL's Plancha and Jikokoa stoves were featured in Design with the 90%, an exhibit curated by the Cooper Hewitt Smithsonian Design Museum and showcased at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation Discovery Center. I found it very fulfilling to talk about BDL's accomplishments and projects with interested members of the public. Currently, I'm leading a new project in Ghana. Shea butter is a huge industry in Africa, and in Ghana, women work in cooperatives to process shea in return for a fair price. However, the roasting process for shea kernels is quite dangerous and inefficient. That's why we're partnering with Burrow Brand, a Gates Foundation grantee, to develop an improved roaster for shea kernels. The new roaster will save trees by being more fuel efficient, reduce women's exposure to toxic fumes, and increase their profit margins by reducing fuel cost. Finally, I've had the honor of leading 2 senior design teams at the University of Portland and Washington State University. BDL places a strong emphasis on experiential learning opportunities for young STEM students, and it's also been a great mentorship opportunity for me. I love working at BDL because it gives me a platform to affect layers of impact, including climate change mitigation, enabling women's empowerment, improving women and children's health, and stimulating local economies. Most of all, I feel lucky to be able to use my design, engineering, and technical skills to help and connect with people the world over.